Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I've done this Halloween witch face paint, then keep watching. So to start off with, I went into this sunset coloured one stroke from Leanne's Tropical palette and I sprinkled it with some glitter, and then I went into this lilac paint and I sponged on top of my eyes like you would for a butterfly at like a 45-degree angle and underneath as well. I then went into a darker purple face paint and I painted on these lines and swirls, going from thicker from my hairline to thinner towards my eyes, and I just painted these shapes. And this face paint is inspired by Lodi Up Face Painter on Instagram. She's amazing and does really cool unicorns and stuff. Then went into this neon orange paint and I just outlined the butterfly shape. I then sponged on the witch using a black face paint and a witch stencil I bought a few years ago. When I took it off I hadn't quite got in all the corners, so I just painted on the extra bits. Then painted some bats onto the design. If you did have a stencil, that would be super easy and a good thing to do, but I didn't have a bat stencil, so I just painted them on. I also painted on black dots around the design, and I also just outlined the purple swirls. I went into this metallic green paint and I just painted in the corners of my eyes, and I also added it to the purple butterfly shape as well, just added it to like highlight it. I then went into a white face paint and I added some stars and dots around the design. For my lips I used this dark purple metallic lip cream by NYX. Finish off the design, I wanted to add some glitter, so I used this super cool Halloween set by Eco Stardust. You get 3 chunky glitters with it, and you get a little brush and a balm as well. So I just popped the balm just around the design and then I added the glitter. It's super pretty. It's like a green and purple glitter mix, so I highly recommend you checking this out. I will leave a link to their website down below. And there you go guys, this is the finished look. It's like a really cute Halloween design for like parties or festivals, events over Halloween, whatever you're going to be up to. It's not an original design of mine, it is inspired by Lodi Up Face Painter on Instagram. You should check her out, honestly she's so good. So yeah, happy Halloween. I know we're a bit early, but I had a few comments saying you guys were ready to see some Halloween looks. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.